Opel has announced an exciting addition to its popular Mokka lineup, a new mild hybrid powertrain. This development marks a significant step for the automaker as it continues to expand its portfolio of eco-friendly vehicles and embrace the latest advancements in automotive technology. The inclusion of a mild hybrid system in the Mokka is designed to enhance fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and provide a more refined driving experience. Aligning with Opel's commitment to sustainability and innovation, the mild hybrid powertrain in the Opel Mokka combines a traditional internal combustion engine with a 48-volt battery and an integrated starter generator. This setup allows the system to recover energy during braking and deceleration, which is then stored in the battery. The stored energy can be used to assist the engine during acceleration, providing a boost in power while reducing fuel consumption and emissions. One of the key advantages of the mild hybrid system is its seamless integration into the existing vehicle architecture. Unlike full hybrids or plug-in hybrids, mild hybrids do not require significant modifications to the powertrain or additional charging infrastructure, making them a cost-effective solution for improving efficiency. In the Opel Mokka, this system is expected to deliver noticeable improvements in fuel economy, particularly in urban driving conditions where frequent stopping and starting can lead to higher fuel consumption. In addition to its environmental benefits, the mild hybrid system also enhances the overall driving experience of the Opel Mokka. The integrated starter generator provides smoother and quicker engine start-stop operations, reducing noise and vibration during idling and when the engine restarts. This results in a quieter and more comfortable ride, especially in stop-and-go traffic. Furthermore, the mild hybrid system contributes to improved acceleration performance. By providing additional torque when needed, the system ensures a more responsive driving experience, making overtaking and merging onto highways more effortless. This added performance does not come at the expense of fuel efficiency, making the Mokka a well-rounded option for drivers seeking both power and economy. The introduction of the mild hybrid powertrain in the Opel Mokka is part of Opel's broader strategy to promote sustainability and reduce the environmental impact of its vehicles. As regulations on emissions become increasingly stringent worldwide, automakers are under pressure to develop cleaner and more efficient powertrains. By incorporating mild hybrid technology, Opel is taking proactive steps to meet these challenges and provide customers with greener transportation options. The mild hybrid Mokka also reflects Opel's dedication to offering a diverse range of electrified vehicles. Alongside the all-electric Mokka, the mild hybrid variant provides consumers with more choices to suit their driving needs and preferences. Whether drivers prioritize zero-emission driving or enhanced fuel efficiency with the flexibility of a conventional engine, Opel aims to cater to a wide audience with its expanding lineup. The addition of a mild hybrid powertrain to the Opel Mokka range represents a significant milestone for the brand. This new variant not only underscores Opel's commitment to sustainability and innovation but also enhances the appeal of the Mokka by offering improved fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and a more refined driving experience. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, technologies like mild hybrid systems will play a crucial role in bridging the gap between traditional combustion engines and fully electric vehicles. By integrating these advanced systems into popular models like the Mokka, Opel is well positioned to meet the demands of modern drivers and contribute to a more sustainable future. With its blend of efficiency, performance, and practicality, the mild hybrid Opel Mokka is set to make a significant impact in the compact SUV market.